Mayor, nag-reach out na ba si Senator Bongo sa inyo?
No. Hindi lang mag-story may anak politika naman na kuan. Diyan wala may need na kanang imuhang dibdibon gyud na, and like katong we were talking about my katong gingon statement
Yes,
na ko diri
yeah.
na may sugali Pampanga. Kuan. Politika. Together with our families, so the kids, so it's for everybody. Everybody's welcome, and also I would highlight this event as a way for our LGBTQ. A round of applause for them. So please stand up, very beautiful ladies. Thank you. So you have your own time of the year. Congratulations to you. So I think that's it. So there's but of course there's still room for more improvement. This is only the first time. We also have e-games. We're introducing e-games, mainstream it, and support it. The NGO supports the e-games also. Thank you. Also, RD Tanya is here. Thank you very much for supporting it. And Councilor Arline Alejandre, Committee on Tourism. Good to see you. Also, the other councilors, Councilor Teco Campo, Councilor Los Militar, and I don't know where the others are, I'll forget them. But thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Oh, I forgot, of course, our deputy mayors. So I was explaining to our guests that Davao would not be Davao without the 11 ethnic tribes. So it is the core of Davao City. So I hope I didn't miss anyone, and just text me if you feel bad if I missed you, okay? So thank you very much for joining me. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Mayor Sebastian.
Mayor, nag-reach out na ba si Senator Bongo sa inyo?
No. Hindi lang mag-story may anak politika naman na kuan. Diyan wala may need na kanang imuhang dibdibon gyud na, and like katong we were talking about my katong gingon statement
Yes,
na ko diri
yeah.
na may sugali Pampanga. Kuan.
Politika kung dili ka kaantos ani, undang na lang ana ba? Undang na lang di ka kaantos imong naning. Mo magining kinabuhi sa usa ka politiko or elected official nga naa sa nakas gobyerno.
But you're okay with him? You're okay with him?
Wala ko'y problema niya. I believe that was a fair comment.
Thank you.
So, ang kuan maganda na mayo na we can stimulate the economy through tourism. So, hindi mo na ito siyang pagkaroon para napunta yung Summer Festival. Kung mo nang medyo wala na niya. So, tayo mo siyang one major event per quarter.
Mayor, mga pinaka-percent lang, isang percentage lang na kung i-allocate anak na budget for the Tanang Festival sa niya.
Sa tanan,
So, apil lang Tanang Festival, other festival.
wala ba yung kabalo?
Pero kanang apil lang sa priority o kanang sa budget, naligay sa namin ng dakmo, kapag namin.
Sufficient, tanaw na po sufficient okay. Mo lagi na, ang gina-expect po na ito mag-stimulate ng economy. So we really have to spend on that. That's a investment sa part sa atuang LGU. So we expect na not ang LGU mo ROI, but the establishments, tourism, hospitality business, food, ano.
Mayor, na-mention mo kanina na ma-improve pa ang Duaw Davao Festival, Duaw Davao event.
Oh,
If you are
sugod
going
pa
to
naman
ask
yun.
kung saan pwede pa masulod natin sa
Hindi na, palabyon sa nato nimo sa kuan Duaw Davao, kaya takibaw gyud. Palabyon sa nato niya improve nato kung sa pa kuan pwede nito kuan. Kaya ang iba magong mga events para ng araw, kuan ba congested na kaayo. So ang manpower pod nato di makapahuway, labi na kadayawan pinakabugat gyud na. So mo na yung pambalhin nato diha para mabahin-bahin na siya.
Mayor, very short lang. Bakit short reaction lang sa pag-resign ni VP Sara as DepEd Secretary?
I'm not surprised na ni-resign siya. Siya na lang pangutan-an ninyo noong some taon. Ako may muto. Wala to na lang nato ang iyahang statement. And siguro I can give out my comment after kung na sa statement. Kaya lisod kayo, mustorya ko, bisag ako, igsuon na niyo, kibaw, anong sakit ang iyang, unless madunggan na to, lisod kayo mag-speculate mo. Pero,
So wala siya nag-consult ngayon.
imong mo na akong tubag, imong paging patason. Kung samantaong ka eh.
Last question, May.
Last question.
May, last question.
Mayor, kanang curious lang ko, kumusta ang inyong relationship sa inyong magsuon karon na panahon na grabe ang mga issues nga how tight ba ta karon in terms of family?
Wala mo, good ni mausab, ana. Mas ganahan ka nagkaroon nga medyo shaky ang politika kay mas close may ana ba mas nagakita. Actually kind of like enjoying this. Kaya nga naman mas restaurant ako mga igsoon, ako amahan.
Thank you.
Mayor, nag-reach out na ba si Senator Bongo sa inyo?
No. Hindi na mag-story may politika naman na kuan. Then wala may need na kanang imuhang dibdibon good na and like katong we were talking about like katong statement na to during the Maisog rally ng Pampanga. One, politika kung dili ka kaantos ani, undang na lang ana ba? Undang na lang di ka kaantos inyong nanin. Mo magining kinabuhi sa usa ka politiko or elected official nga naa sa nakas gobyerno.
But you're okay with him? You're okay?
Wala ko'y problema niya. I believe that was a fair comment.
Okay na. Thank you. Thank you.
Tama, no? Thank you.